This is a video on Utah's online library and the Gale reference collection. Personally, I like Gale better than EBSCO. So again, you go to Utah's online library, click on that link. This is your username and password. If you get on it at home, the school has free access through our Wi-Fi. You click on the link and it will take you to this page. So you click on K-12 schools. Feel free to pause this video if you need at any time. You click on Gale reference collection. Then I click on power search, or if I want something more specific, I'll click on some of these, but let's go with power search. Once I click on that, then it has a couple cool things like topic finder is pretty cool. You type in the topic like swords, and then it actually comes up with this cool graph. This helps you kind of narrow down your topic / get bigger. So like you can click on county councils, planning, blah, 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 and see sources over here. Or if you just want to go standard, you can just type words into the standard search machine. Sorts into musical instruments. That's kind of cool. I like this one. It's a little bit more user-friendly. You can see across the top, magazines, academic journals, books, news, images, videos, audio. So if you type in something and you only have like 3 magazines, but 40 academic journals, then you just click on that one. You can also go see your search history, which is super awesome, and your highlights and notes. So let's say you pick swords into musical instruments. First, you want to make sure it's long enough. Gale, unlike EBSCO, doesn't tell you whether or not it has a full text. So this one isn't super long. So I'm going to go back because, you know, my teacher wants me to read something that's a little bit longer. Ooh, that one still isn't very long. Armory of Swords. Oh, that one's longer. Okay, I'm going to click on academic journals. Maybe that'll give me more. A shield for swords. Okay, so this is better. It's maybe really long, but again, you don't have to read the whole thing. It looks really long, but that's okay. Maybe actually I want something shorter. So see right here, it says words, 15,000 words. That means it's probably really long. This one says 236 words, so not as long. 8,000 words, 1,000 words. Swords of Armageddon. That sounds interesting. And it's 1,600 words. That's not bad. So let's say this is the one I want to use. Okay, so first, Gale is different from EBSCO. Don't email it to yourself. It doesn't work. You have to add it to your Google Drive. Then you click on the account you want, and then it will be sent to your Google Drive, and it will actually appear right there, Gale Power Search. And then it'll actually show all the articles I've sent myself in the past. Very convenient. You also want to make sure you get the citation. So it's either at the very bottom, right there, MLA, or you can just click up here at the top, cite, and then copy all of it, and then paste it to whatever document your teacher has you working on. That is how to use Gale reference collection. Thank you.